students, welcome to today's session. In this video, we are going to start class 9 chapter 1 cell structure and function. So stay focused, take notes and let's begin the chapter step by step. First point in this video, that is cell is known as fundamental unit of life. Means the cell is known as the basic unit of life because every living organism is made up of cells. It is self-replicating structure, which means it can make copies of itself. Next is the first cell were observed and named by Robert Hooke in 1665 from slice of cork. The first cell were observed by the Robert Hooke in the year 1665. He used a microscope to look at a thin slice of cork and saw small boxes-like structures. He named these cells rooms or cell-like compartments. Some organisms consist of unicellular organisms, other are multicellulars. Some organisms like amoeba are made up of just one cell. They are called unicellular organisms. Other like humans have millions of cells and are called multicellular organisms. Next point, the size of a cell can range from 2 to 120 micrometer in diameter. So this is the structure of nucleus, and this is this region. This is the structure of nucleus, and this is the DNA. Next, you can go through this diagram and study about this. After that, we are going to study about the cell theory. Let's now understand cell theory. It was first proposed by Matthias Schweden and Theodor Schwann in 1839. The cell theory states three main points. All living things are made up of cells. कि जितने भी living beings होते हैं, living cells होते हैं, living organisms होते हैं, किसके बने होते हैं, are made up of cells. Next, cell are the smallest working unit of all living things. ठीक है. Next, उसके बाद all cells come from pre-existing cells through cell division, which means all cells arise from the pre-existing cells. This idea was later added by Rudolf Virchow through the process of cell division. So, Schweden and Schwann introduced the idea that cells form the basis of life, and Virchow completed it by explaining how cells reproduce. This is known as the modern cell theory. After that, constituents. Constituents क्या होते हैं? Now let's talk about the constituents of a cell. The substance that together form the inside of a cell. These substances are collectively known as protoplasm. Protoplasm is often called the living substance. The protoplasm is also known as living substance. Okay, protoplasm is living substance of the cell and is made up of the following. किस का बना होता है? It is composed of water, which is comprised 70 to 80% water, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, magnesium. Or after that, we are going to discuss about the subcellular structures. अब क्या क्या structures होते हैं इसके अंदर? Major structures क्या क्या present होते हैं cell के अंदर? एक cell membrane होती है, that is the outer covering. Cytoplasm and its organelles. Cytoplasm होते हैं, उसके अंदर mainly organelles होते हैं, and after that this is nucleus. Okay, we are going to study about this one by one in the next video. So thank you.